Top surveys, how to actually make money on it and how not to. Online surveys have a reputation, and honestly, a lot of that reputation is well deserved. There are dozens of survey sites that waste your time with endless disqualifications, pay out tiny amounts that take months to accumulate, and have withdrawal minimums designed to make you give up before you ever see real money. So, when I talk about top surveys today, I'm going to be pretty upfront. Now, this is a real survey platform that does pay, but like every survey site, the way you use it determines whether you walk away with meaningful money or just wasted hours. Now, I am going to be showing you exactly how top surveys works, how much you can realistically go ahead and earn, and how are you going to go ahead and maximize those earnings for yourself. All of that is going to be covered in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, Top Surveys is, of course, a pretty straightforward platform. Okay, you can access it by going over to topsurveys.co. Okay. Now, this is an online market research platform that actually pays users for completing different types of surveys. And of course, it will depend on you on the type of surveys you're approaching, and it will depend on you on which type of surveys you're actually going to want to do. So, this is how the website is going to look like. Now, the platform connects survey respondents with market research companies who want consumer opinions on products, services, brands, and trends. You answer questions, they pay for your time. Now, the market research industry generates billions of dollars annually because companies genuinely need consumer insights before actually launching products, making marketing decisions, and developing strategies. Survey participants are compensated for providing those insights. Now, how does Top Survey actually pay? Now, Top Survey is going to use a payout system. Okay, now that payout system is a point system. So basically, you earn points for completing surveys. Those points are converted to cash at a rate of approximately 100 points to $1. Now, you redeem points for PayPal cash, gift cards, or bank transfer. The minimum cash out is typically $10. You also have survey lengths and values. Surveys on Top Surveys range from 3-minute quick surveys worth $0.5 to 25-minute in-depth surveys worth $5 to $7. Now, the longer, higher paying surveys are, of course, less frequent and more competitive. They are going to fill up quickly. Now, let me give you real numbers rather than best case scenario marketing figures. Now, the average top survey user who completes surveys casually, maybe 30 to 45 minutes per day, can quite literally expect to earn 50 to $150 per month. Now, that range accounts for significant variability in survey availability, disqualification rates, and how actively you pursue available surveys. They have more dedicated users as well, those who check the platform multiple times per day, complete every available survey, and participate in bonus opportunities. Now, those could report to $200 to $400 per month. Now, this, of course, requires 2 to 3 hours of daily survey time. Now, the disqualification problem is the real obstacle on every survey platform. Surveys are targeted to specific demographic profiles. If you don't match the demographic a particular survey needs, like wrong age, range, you have wrong income level, wrong product category, wrong geographic region, you get screened out. Usually that happens after answering 3 to 7 qualificational questions. Now, on top surveys, the disqualification rate is reported by users to be quite moderate. It's better than some platforms, but worse than others. Expect to be disqualified from approximately 30 to 50% of surveys that you attempt, particularly if you're in demographic categories that are, of course, less targeted by market research like middle income, middle age, specific professional backgrounds that tend to qualify for more surveys than the general average. Now, the difference between the user who earns $50 per month and the user who earns $300 per month from the same platform is almost entirely strategy. Now, here is exactly what the higher earners are going to do differently. First of all, they're going to complete their profile thoroughly and get a proper idea and gist of it. Now, creating a profile is really simple. All you do is you come over to continue with Google, and once we're over here, you're going to choose an account to log yourself in. So let's say I'm going to choose this account. It's a pretty simple login. Just use your Gmail. It gets you in it pretty quickly. And of course, once you're in, once you have taken yourself straight to the main section, what's going to happen over here is everything is going to load up. Now, once everything is done, of course, you're going to click on continue. That completes your sign up, and we are straight into the Top Survey app. All right. Now, over here, as you can clearly see on the top right section, you get the cash out and all the other general things. Now, first of all, it can even ask you to select devices, which devices do you own, etc. So let's say I'm going to say desktop. Now, over here, once that is done, it says you can earn money from our different sources. So, of course, there's surveys, referring friends, and so much more. So once you do all of that, it takes you over here and says start the onboarding, and just choose your languages, enter your birthday, and as you can see, stuff like that already gives you $0.05. So you enter the year, you select a month for yourself, and finally you select a date. And once you've done that, click on next. What is your gender? You're going to choose that. And once everything is done, you're finally going to give them your zip code. And there we have it. So the onboarding is going to take us through to it. Okay. And of course, make sure to use an according zip code. And there we are. So you can start taking surveys right away. That's the fun part about it. So you can earn from this section. There are surveys that can be found in this section. So you can clearly see how well it works. Now, TopSurvey is a legitimate platform that pays real money, and compared to the broader survey platform landscape, it's much better and much more sophisticated, in my opinion. So, yeah, just go ahead and start your work on it, use it accordingly, and earn up to $50 to $300 per month, which is a realistic income range that requires consistent daily effort. So use it as a part of a multi-platform survey strategy rather than as your only platform. And once you've gone through all of that, you're good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.